Well guys, my car just took a crap. Oh, the hood's already open, that's right. Driving down the road in this 100 and something degree heat. And battery light came on the dash and AC stopped working. So naturally I pulled over and yeah, there's supposed to be a belt there. The freaking serpentine belt melted and flew right off. Well, I don't want to say flew off, but I picked up what I could from the floor. And yeah, right now I am waiting on a tow truck to show up because there ain't nothing out here. There's no O'Reilly's or nothing. I'm in like the industrial area of Irving, so there's no auto shops within walking distance. Even if there was, it's really hard for me to do it. But I'm gonna get it towed back to the house, go to O'Reilly's, pick up a new belt for like 20 bucks. We're gonna slap that on. Should be a really quick 10-minute fix, but man, this really sucks. So I already called the tow truck guy, and tow truck guy said he would be 25 minutes, and that was 45 minutes ago. Tow trucks never arrive on time, so it's no surprise to me at all. You just gotta wait. So yeah, if that ever happens, if your battery light comes on, that means your alternator's running, or not running, I'm sorry. Yeah, so if you're driving and your battery light comes on, that means you're running on the battery. Your alternator's not working anymore. So that means pull over. And especially if your AC stops running at the same time. So luckily, I can save the battery. I pulled over right away. So hopefully I won't have to buy a new battery, because there's no way I would have drove it home. It's 5 o'clock rush hour traffic. If I would have tried to drive it home and make it on the battery alone, I still wouldn't have any AC. So I'd still be suffering. And I would end up having to pay for a new battery and a new belt, and that's if I made it to the house. So we're just gonna take a loss on the tow truck charge, and it's gonna cost me 180 bucks, but the car will be safe, and I could add 20 more bucks and get this car running again. But good Lord, what a way to end my Thursday, or I should say start my Thursday afternoon. I just got off of work, so I figured I'd just start a video, why not? So yeah, we're waiting for the tow truck. Should be here any minute now, and we'll get this all fixed up here. Good morning. Ooh, I'm looking good today. Let's fix this car. You're gonna need a couple of tools. Let me lay them out real quick. All right, you're gonna need a 17 millimeter and a ratchet, Allen keys, breaker bar just in case, and this is the Gates belt. That's the part number. Guys at O'Reilly's were nice enough to give me the diagram there. So right there's the tensioner. We're gonna grab that and then just pull it back. We're gonna slide one of those Allen keys in to hold it, and this should take about 5 minutes. Let's see if I can get this right. There we go. I'm just gonna want to push that back. Let me see. It's just real tight down there. I mean, ideally you want to use a longer breaker bar to do this, but I'm gonna improvise today. There we go. And let's see. I need a little more. Yeah, of course. Let's try that again. Okay, maybe I over embellished on 5 minutes. Had to go back in, switch ratchets. This ratchet actually works better. You do need some extra length and pretty much when I was kind of using the pipe, it was hitting this part, so I wasn't getting enough leverage to get the pulley all the way back. But I was able to now, and see this Allen key? See, I just used one of these, and you're gonna use one of these to hold the tensioner. You just slide it into that little part right there, into that little hole when it's pulled all the way back. Let me see if I can focus here. Yeah, just slide the key into that hole right there, and it'll hold it while you slide the belt in, and then we're gonna pop the key out, and it should just pop right in. All right, so I got the ratchet removed. This is how it worked. There's obviously better ways. I just don't have a big short 17 at the moment. So I made that work. And see, the key is still holding the tensioner up. And now we're just gonna slide the belt around here. Pretty much just follow this diagram. And then we'll pop that key out. I swear, it's every time I film, these 10-minute jobs, they take way too freaking long. I got the belt on. First time I did this years ago, I did it in 5 minutes, and I promise you, I don't know what's going on today, but I couldn't get it over the crankshaft pulley back there, and I realized the best way to do it, you're gonna wrap it around here, then the bottom, and the bottom's the AC compressor, yeah. So alternator, compressor, don't even bother with the pulley. Leave it on, you know, don't even try to slide it under there yet. Take it around the crank, and then once you bring it back around, then you could shove it underneath the tensioner. That was the only way that I was able to get it in. If I got it around here and around the AC and then under the tensioner and try to reach around to the crank, it just didn't work. So that's the best way. Now you know, now I know. Around here, under, screw the tensioner and save it for last. That way you just slide it under. So I'm a mess for no reason. But yeah, 10-minute job that now turned into 30 minutes. And now I'm late for work. I guess let's see if I even fixed it. So let's try that out. Let's start it up. Oh, right, we can't start it up yet. So next we're gonna get the, well, I'll just show you. Let's make sure this goes well too. All right, there we go. Pull the tension on the pulley. I'm gonna need my other hand, so let me set this down here somehow. Let's see. Push this down, get that key out. All right, key is out. Tensioner is back on. I guess it looks good. Now we get to start it. Right. I hear any squealing. All right. Oh my God. I'm going to get rid of this car. Okay. It's fixed. I think I might have to take another shower. And then I'm off to work. Oh. All right, man. Yeah. There we go. Good God. It's always the easy ones. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get cleaned up. I gotta go to work. It's Friday. Enjoy your Friday, enjoy your weekend. Give this video a like if it helped you out, and subscribe for more content. Also, go check out the podcast. Peace.